In this tutorial, I will show you how to insert sound effects into videos in Canva. First, open Canva and click Create a Design. Then select Video. This will open the video editor with a timeline where you can edit your video. Next, upload your video clip or choose a video template from Canva's library. Drag the video onto the canvas so it appears in the timeline. After that, go to the audio section on the left side of the editor. Here you will find music tracks and sound effects that you can use in your video. Use the search bar to find a specific sound effect. For example, you can search for sounds like pop, whoosh, bell, or click depending on the effect you want. Click the play icon to preview different sound effects and choose the one that fits your video. Once you find the sound effect you like, drag it onto the timeline below your video. The sound effect will appear as an audio track. Now, move the audio clip along the timeline so it matches the exact moment in your video where you want the sound to play. You can also trim the sound effect by dragging the edges of the audio track if you want to shorten it. If needed, adjust the volume of the sound effect so it blends well with your video. Finally, preview your video to make sure the sound effect is timed correctly. When everything looks good, click Share, then download and export the video as MP4. That is how you insert sound effects into videos in Canva.